everyone, my name is Tor and welcome back to Anthropology. So in today's video we are doing a shopping vlog. I'm going to go down to Holt Renfrew. It's my man's birthday. I want to try on some bags. I want to try on some Miu Miu stuff. I want to try on some Givenchy, and we need to go to Chanel. So if you're interested, keep watching. Smaller than I expected. Okay. Oh, they're so cute. And how much are these?
This is 25.
25? Okay. This yellow is really gorgeous. Here. No, this is the same size as mine. Yeah. It's just in like a really nice, like dusty rose color. Oh, I love this pink.
It's really nice. Really nice.
Oh my god, these are so cute. What are they?
That's cool.
1800, damn. Thank you for watching the shopping vlog portion of this video. Now we will get into the unboxing. Here we have a Chanel bag, clearly. So this is, you know, PSA not for me. This was purchased from my mother. She wanted some Chanel shoes and I happened to just facilitate that purchase, as in Toronto right now, all of the stores are closed, including Chanel. They're open in Vancouver, so I helped her get these shoes. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Here we have, you know, their classic Chanel bag. Just simple like this. On the top we have all that. So these are a pair of espadrilles. These are from the new season. So these are just classic Chanel espadrilles. These are in this really, really gorgeous blue leather, and then they have this really, really nice quilting on the bottom. They're so, so soft. And then they have the beige Chanel CC and black cap. So these are in a size 36, and these will be going straight to my mother. So inside we have this little Chanel booklet. It just has some things about the shoes and obviously the dust bag. So there are 2 dust bags in here. So these were purchased from the Holt Renfrew shoe location. These are the espadrilles 21A navy beige and black. In case anyone was wondering, $870 Canadian. After tax, they were. Alright, so I will be sending those off swiftly to Toronto for my mom. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite part down below, and if you just want to see more of me, subscribe. I'll also link my Instagram, same name, Anthropology. If you like pictures of me, my cat, any sort of fashion videos, definitely follow me there as well, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye guys.